Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason.
I'm Julie.
And we're Destination Full-Time. And today we have a video about packing up.
The most fun thing to do.
No, but it is one of the, well, it kind of is one of the fun things.
It's exciting to pack up because you get to go somewhere.
Yeah, you're going somewhere. It's travel day.
Yay!
One of the questions we get a lot is, how do you pack this thing up and
what does it look like?
Yeah, what does that look like? And we're going to do a video today to show you how that works.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Full-Time.
The first thing we're going to discuss, or first thing we're going to show, is packing up the office, and we're going to jump into that right now. All right, so I've knocked all that out. I'm super fast. Now it's her turn.
Okay, so now we get to the kitchen. Before I can pack up the kitchen, I have to make lunches. We always make a sandwich, and we've tried, fast food, this and that. We love just make a sandwich so we know what's in it and we know we made it, and I always do that first. And then once I make the sandwiches, I put the noodles in the pantry, and you'll see that.
Pool noodles.
Pool noodles, yes.
Yeah.
I cut them to fit inside the pantry, and it really just holds everything and keeps it from the glass. But the glass
keeps things from shifting and falling down. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right. It just kind of holds everything. It gets extra insurance to hold everything in place as far as the pantry. Yep. And then we have foam boards that we cut to fit inside of the cabinets that go above the TV. All the kitchen cabinets, because there's the frosted glass. And then also the inside of the pantry doors. So it's like a little piece of foam board. It came from Dollar Tree, and we cut it to fit each thing. And then also the bathroom medicine cabinets have it too, since there's the mirror. But we just keep those above the bed in the garage when we're not using them. And then they just go inside each cabinet. On travel day, it takes just a second, as you'll see, actually less than a second.
It's probably a little overkill to do that, but it takes just a few minutes. And we heard on some forums, or read on some forums, that the frosted glass, if something gets up against it and bounces around while you're traveling, it can scratch it, and then that becomes kind of, doesn't look good. So we figured we could do this. It's not a big deal, and that's
we started doing that from the beginning.
Yep.
So, and after that, then I roll up the carpets and I vacuum really good. Obviously, I'm trying to keep any debris from getting in the slide tracks. So I just vacuum and get everything done. It's pretty simple in the bedroom. I literally just lay the laundry hamper on its side. I do have a little fan I use on my nightstand. I put that under the pillows. And there's a couple things from the kitchen, my little digital photo frame. I just slide under one of the pillows. And I also keep my Silhouette, my craft vinyl cutter. I keep it right on top of the bed. And it's never moved, and it's perfect there, and it's got the cushion from when it's bouncing around.
Yeah, I will say that the bed is probably the safest thing in the whole RV. It doesn't seem to bounce around much, and it seems like everything that we've ever put on it has been secure.
Hasn't moved. Yeah, it doesn't move, and I don't strap it down just like you see it.
Yep.
So once all that's done, then we pull the bedroom slide in.
And open the shade and close the door, and we're done with the bedroom.
Open the shade, because you have to open all the shades, of course, as you know.
Now, it looks like Julie's doing most of the work here, but that's not true, because usually while she's doing that, usually I pack up the office the night before, and then I go outside and I'm dumping the tanks during the time that she's in here, cleaning up and packing up in here. But next is the bathroom.
Which is pretty easy. All I do...
Yeah, it's not big.
No. And I have this black tub you'll see that I use. It's fabric, so it folds and easy to store. And I literally just place all of the bathroom products, anything that's in the shower or on the counter, every bit of it in that little tote tub thing, and I stick it in the shower. Literally, that's all I do, other than obviously we strap down the shower door and strap the bathroom door. But that's the entire thing that I do in the bathroom. That literally takes a second if you watch. And then we're able to pull in the slides.
I've dumped the tanks and got all the sewer lines picked up and packed away. The next thing is we're going to hook up, right? So we back the truck up, hook up. But after you do that, you need to do a tug test. And the tug test is very simple. You basically just lower your front landing gear to about an inch or a half inch off of the ground, and then you get in the truck and you squeeze your brake controller and you accelerate and make sure that the hitch doesn't pull and disconnect from the RV and crush your bed. That's why you leave them only about an inch up so it won't crush the bed of the truck. But I always do that no matter what. So we do the tug test, and then we pull up power cord, disconnect the water, and Julie will get in the back and check my lights, turn signals, all those types of things.
We use walkie-talkies for that.
We do. And then we're ready to hit the road. Now, one last thing I would like to bring up. We do use a checklist.
Yes.
Yeah. We have a Grand Design Momentum 351M that utilizes the One Control system. And part of the One Control app is a checklist. And we've made one for the inside and we've made one for the outside.
And you religiously use that every single time, just to make sure you didn't miss anything.
It has saved our bacon on multiple occasions. Because a couple things we didn't mention as we were going through this is you also have to latch the refrigerator doors. Mm-hmm. So there's straps that you latch those so they don't come open during travel.
And the freezer door.
Yeah, and the freezer. Julie mentioned the shower door, latching that, and the bathroom pocket door, latching that so it doesn't go in and out while traveling.
But we're not perfect. We literally left the bathroom pocket door unlatched once. Luckily, Jason remembered a mile up the road and it had not moved. But had that been an all-day thing, we probably would have had to replace that door. It would have got gouged when it hit the...
Oh, it had come off the tracks, yeah.
And which could have caused a lot more damage.
Since then, we use a checklist.
And the checklist was born after that.
Yeah. I had always heard everybody said use a checklist. I'm like, nah, I'm smart. I can do it. I can remember everything, but you can't. So
you get easily distracted.
Yeah,
that's
people come up and talk to you,
yep.
and then you just forget stuff yourself. I mean, there's little things like we have a glass door underneath our TV and above our fireplace that has a little latch on it that you have to latch. So just little things like that you can easily forget.
And it's just easier to use a checklist so that you can just double check. And to me, it's worth the time to double check so that you don't cause damage and cost money, once you get somewhere.
Yeah, we have one for the inside and we have a checklist for the outside exterior, hitching up, all those things as well. So that's how we pack up this thing. That's how this beast gets connected to Beauty and we hit the road. And so that is the end of this video. So we hope that you've enjoyed this video. Hope that you learned how we do it. Maybe it saves you in the future, but we really hope that you like the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Also, go and make a comment. Maybe we forgot something that you do, or maybe you have ideas on how to do some of this stuff.
Or maybe you don't use a checklist the way you, but you use something different.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Exactly.
Let us know.
Exactly. Hey, but definitely subscribe, because that helps us out a lot, and it's absolutely free. So make sure that you do it.
And it keeps us having the ability to continue making videos.
Well, it makes us feel good.
Yeah, that too.
So hey, until next week, guys, we hope that you find your next destination.
And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.